This video will introduce you to the concept of Hebrew roots. In English, many words are related in meaning because they share a similar element. For example, the words form, formation, reform, reformation, formative, all have in common the element form, and all of the words have meanings related to creating a shape or structure. In Hebrew, all words are theoretically formed from what are called roots. These are usually made of 3 letters, originally consonants, called radicals. And then there is variation introduced by using vowels, prefixes, and/or suffixes. But the basis of the word is those 3 letters, the root. And it is the root that determines the base meaning of a word. And many words, nouns, verbs, adjectives, can be formed from the same root. All of these words will belong to the same semantic field if they have the same root. For example, here we have the root mem, lamed, kaf. Now, with a particular vowel pattern, it becomes a noun meaning king. Or in the plural, kings. Notice that there's a vowel pattern plus some additional consonants at the end. This is a suffix that indicates that it is a plural. Malka, queen. There is a long vowel added to the end of the root, which makes it feminine. You add an ut to mem, lamed, kaf, and you get kingship or kingdom. With another particular pattern of vowels, it becomes the verb, he ruled. And with those vowels plus a suffix, you ruled. Suffix and prefix turns it into the verb, I installed someone as king. Now you notice, going back to that word, they're all based on this one root, mem, lamed, kaf. And they are related all to the idea of ruling or reigning. So they have that same semantic field. Now, generally, Bible software, including Accordance, will give you the root when they give you information about the word. So in the bottom panel of Accordance, if you hover over a word, it will give you the form and it will give you all kinds of information about the word, but it will also give you the root as indicated by an arrow. Also, lexicons are often arrange words by their root. Halot, which is what is used in Accordance, will list all the verbs beginning with their root. You can see this again indicated by the arrow, the root chet, zayin, kof. Now the older lexicon, Brown, Driver, Briggs, also sort of grouped all nouns, adjectives, etc. under that same root as well. And just here's a list of some of the roots you may come across, which sort of have a basic semantic meaning, and they will often be changed into verbs, given patterns that make them nouns or adjectives, but the root will be this three consonantal set, which gives the base meaning. For instance, this one in the top right, Dalet Beit Resh, you can get the word for word, you can get the verb to speak, etc. out of it. Now, roots can be strong, which is when they include most of the consonants. And in this case, they conform to the regular patterns, whether of verbs, of nouns, adjectives, etc. Some roots, however, are considered weak because they have a consonant or a radical that more easily changes, such as roots with aleph, hey, vav, or nun. The gutturals chet and ayin can also cause minor changes. You do not really have to worry about this because the Bible software will give you the root and the correct form. You just may notice that some verbs or words act differently than others when it comes to the various vowels and other patterns.